Everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Blogger. So today we're going to talk about offering your own affiliate program for your digital and print on, all of your products basically. So an affiliate program, most of you should, if you've been monetizing your blog for any amount of time, you probably are an affiliate for some company. Maybe you're an Amazon affiliate or some other type of company to where you promote their products and earn a small commission if a sale is made. Well, if you sell digital products, you can also offer an affiliate program so that other bloggers, other Christian creators can promote your products, to their audiences and receive a small commission from you in return. And so I will tell you, when I first started my affiliate program, so if you follow me for any amount of time, kind of have two things going on. I have the faith side of my blog, and of course, I have my courses and the blogging stuff. And so through my courses, of course, word of mouth sells that. And through Teachable, I do have an affiliate program. But what I want to talk today about more so is the faith side of my blog. So my Bible study, resources, printables, coloring books, journals, things like that. All of them are listed on Etsy, but because I offer every single one of those items through another platform that has the ability for me to offer an affiliate program, I have actually quite significantly increased my regular monthly sales. And so, I make my regular sales through the Etsy search because I have really great SEO there, but I've added to that amount by enabling other bloggers to recommend those same products that are on Etsy, but they use their affiliate link through this other program instead of the link to my Etsy shop. And so again, the products are the exact same price. They're just kind of hosted in two different locations. And that way, because if you didn't know, even though you can sell stuff on Etsy as a Christian creator, they have a very strict policy for approving websites to be an affiliate. And so if your blog speaks Jesus all over it, it is considered religious and therefore will not be approved for Etsy's affiliate program. Now, there are some Christian bloggers whose blog's primary look and at first glance is not a Bible study, but you do have faith content on it, maybe organizational productivity, parenting, things like that, and you kind of sneak some Jesus in there, but the name and the homepage, none of that really says this is a Bible blog. Those can sometimes get approved, and we do have a few in our community that are approved for Etsy as an affiliate, but most of us, I've been denied like 10 times. They offer their program through a couple of different places, Share a Sale, I think, and someplace else. And I've applied to all of them numerous times. And every time they come back and say, nope, we don't approve religious websites. So because of that, that is what prompted me to create my affiliate program, because there were a lot of other creators who wanted to promote my stuff, and that's great if you want to promote it, but I would like for you to get a benefit for promoting anything that I've created, because without you promoting it, I would not make the sale. And so I do want anyone who promotes my stuff to be able to have some sort of reward from that. So anyway, there are a lot of different types of programs out there that you can use to host as a secondary place. I use Gumroad. You may have heard of PayHip, SendOwl. I'm not sure. I have never used Shopify or WooCommerce myself. I think there is a way that you can do it through those, but from what I understand, there's like an extra plugin that you have to buy to make it work. And I'm all about being cheap. Y'all know that. But if you're already using those, it might be something for you to look into. So I'm not going to go into every single one of them. I'm just going to show you through Gumroad. And so this isn't really a Gumroad tutorial. It's just kind of showing you kind of what I do, how it's done. And then you can take that and research your own. Like I said, SendOwl is one, PayHip. There's a couple of different ones. And each one, I would really research them. So some things to keep in mind when you're deciding on which program to choose. So I am in the US, but I do get a lot of sales from people outside of the US. So from African countries, also from European countries. And so one of the things with non-US, especially with Europe, is the VAT tax, which is basically a tax, but it's for overseas European. Some platforms take care of that for you. And so you don't have to fill out any paperwork. You don't do anything. They keep track and do it. Other ones, they don't. And so for me, that was a selling point for Gumroad. They take care of everything. I don't have to deal with that. Now, I do have to do my own state taxes. None of the platforms take care of that for you, but I make it super easy for me to figure out which sales for each quarter were made to somebody in Texas because I'm a Texas resident. And then, of course, everyone has to file their own federal taxes, but the VAT was the big one. Also, the ease of use of the dashboard and being able to check out multiple products at the same time instead of having to make different sales for each one. There's a lot of different things you want to look into, but VAT was a big one because if you're in the US, you don't know about VAT, but it is a tax that is the customer has to pay if they're not from the US, mainly European countries. But there's also a requirement of reporting for that. And so I'm a less is more better kind of person. And so fewer forms that I have to fill out makes for a happier me. And Gumroad did that. I think SendOwl, at least at last check, you had to take care of the VAT issue yourself. So that was a no-brainer for me. Anyway, do your research, look at the pros and cons, ask around other people who may have used the platform you're considering, the ease of use of it for you to track your sales, the tax information, but also for the end user, for the person shopping on your site. And so just kind of keep all that in mind. So we're going to hop over here into my Gumroad. For those of you using Gumroad, this will be super helpful. I'm going to go to my dashboard. So every product that I list on Etsy, I already have the mock-ups. I have the details from the Etsy listing. As soon as I hit publish on Etsy, I actually come over here, open Gumroad, and duplicate the listing into here. The same images. There's one image that I resize, and it tells you what size that is. All the other images, the exact product description that I took from my Etsy description, all of that just gets copied in here, and I kind of do it all in one sitting. That makes it easier for me to make sure every single product that I have in Etsy is also available here. And so in Gumroad, you can come over here to your bottom left, click on that and click on affiliates, and it will show you all of the people you've added. Super easy to add someone as an affiliate. I just click add affiliate. Now, they have to register on Gumroad. It's totally free for them. They don't pay anything. They have to create like a profile using their email address. Once they've created that, then they will send you that email. The person that you're trying to add, just ask them for your Gumroad email. You will enter that here. You'll select the products that you want to give them access to. I just say all products. I personally give 25% to my affiliates. Some of my coloring books are only like $2. So anything less than that, I mean, it's pretty small, right? But some of the bigger products, 25% is a really nice cut. Plus taking into effect that, Gumroad's going to take a little cut of their fee as well. And so, but you can choose whatever. I will say this, reward those who are helping you grow. Okay. This is not a time to be stingy. I would say, it kind of has a default setting of 5 here. I mean, personally, this is just me, but I am a generous person by nature. So I don't know, maybe I'm the weird one. I would say 20 to 25% or more, even 50%. For my Teachable, which is not Gumroad, but my other platform for my courses, I get 40% discount. I'm sorry, 40% commission for referred sales there because it's a much higher product price. So I'm just, again, be generous because without your affiliates, these sales won't happen. And so, it's the right thing to do to reward them for helping your business grow. So assign the fee. And then this here if you create like a shop on your site, a page on your site that has all of your listings, you could actually put the link to that right here. And then everything would redirect to that page. I don't do that on mine. All of mine go to just my regular Gumroad product listings. So what happens is when you add an affiliate, they will receive an email from Gumroad that lists all the current products you have, their affiliate tracking ID, and there's some other stuff in there. And then later on, if you add another product to your library, they'll get an email with just the information for that product. So one of the downfalls of Gumroad is their affiliate dashboard isn't that great. I'm in a couple of affiliate programs where I log in and, it's a fancier affiliate program, but of course they pay for that. So, it's warranted. But with Gumroad, you can't really track through all the products very well. So what I've done to alleviate that, and I think has worked really well, is as I create my products, I actually have this no index page on my site, and it spells out for them. Like, so as soon as I add someone as an affiliate, I write them back and say, okay, you're added, you get an email from Gumroad, and here's the link to my affiliate hub that shows you how to get your links. Please bookmark this page or whatever. And so it explains to them exactly how to find their tracking link, because if you kind of forget it or lose that email, it's hard to figure out what it is. And then I have all my products broken up by what they are. So my journal, stickers, reading plans, whatever. The actual link for that product. So this would be the entire link right here for this product. And they could copy this in, and then all they have to do is change out your affiliate ID with the numbers that is their ID, right? I think this is very helpful. Again, I am an affiliate for some people on Gumroad, and it was very hard for me to figure out like where their products were, because in your affiliates dashboard, let's see, we'll go here, products. So just to show you, so these are all my products, but affiliated means products I'm an affiliate for. It does not sort them by the creator, right? They're just kind of all there. And so it's very hard if I'm looking for something in particular that I want to promote. And I know, somebody, say Heather has this one Bible bingo, I have to scroll through this whole thing to find it, and I have to know the name of it for one. But if I had a page like this for her program, then I could just go right to it and find the exact product with the code that I need, so I could quickly put it in my blog post or in my email or whatever I'm sending out. So if you're going to offer an affiliate program, create something like this. Super simple. It's just a no index page on your site. The second thing you can do is create let me stop share here, an email segment for your affiliates, right? As you start getting more and more, it'd be much easier for you to send out an email that says, hey, I am going to be having a sale next week. Here's some promo materials, even if it's just some little banners they can share on Facebook. I am on a lot of affiliate programs, and a few that have really, really great products. I find out that they're having a sale because I get the sales email as like a follower, not as an affiliate. By that time, it's already too late for me to send a blast out to my own audience. But I'm in a few other programs that a week or two prior, they let us know like, hey, I'm going to be having this sale. Here's the information. Please don't promote it until this date. They just give us some basic information so that I'm a planner. So I do all my emails in advance. I can go ahead and edit those emails really quick and add that information in, and then boom, it's good to go. So just keep in mind, the better you nurture your affiliate program, the more sales you're going to see from it. And keeping your affiliates informed of what you're doing, letting them know about sales, offering them discounts as well. That's all nurturing it, right? And creating things like the graphics that you've used to promote your stuff, you having like a library, shared a cloud drive or something that you can give them access to, so that they have promo materials to share on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest pins, just different things. Do as much for them as you can to enable them to do for you, if that makes sense. Empower them to help them make the sales. And of course, you will be rewarded as well for that. So anyway, I hope this was super helpful. I know I kind of talk really fast, but I can't stress to you how important it is to have an affiliate program for your products. Because here's the thing, even if your site has a lot of traffic, so like Kingdom Bloggers, my website, Kingdom Bloggers, right now gets about 100,000 visitors a month. And that's a lot, yes. But when I have 25 different affiliates, bloggers in sort of some varying, some are Bible study all day, like strictly Bible study, others are parenting. They have their own audiences of men and mostly women who may also resonate with my product, but those people would never see my product unless they physically came to my website or got on my email list. So through your affiliates, you are expanding your reach, which in turn will increase your sales potential at least, and give you access to a whole new audience that you never would have probably had otherwise access to. And so, but on top of that, so it's not all about you, right? It's all about me, get my stuff out there in front of people. On top of that, and I think even the better thing is, we're all in this together, guys. All of us Christian bloggers, creators, and we should keep it in the family. The corporate Christian product companies, if you will, they make enough money. And, we have a lot of people in our communities that create amazing products that many people will never even know about because maybe you haven't figured out SEO yet. And so you have some amazing products, but you don't yet have your own audience because you haven't learned SEO, or maybe you're new at it and your blog is just starting to grow. And so by keeping it in the family and cross promoting each other, I mean, we're all brothers and sisters in Christ here, and that's what we should be doing. And so when we lift each other up and encourage each other and support each other in this way, I think in the end, we're all rewarded for that. So it's not just about me or you getting our products in front of people and making ourselves more money. It's about building this kingdom as a whole, this kingdom of creators. And I might have some really great products that certain people like, but you may have something that's just way better than mine, right? And maybe they want yours and not mine, but they would never know about it if I don't promote it for you. So just keep that in mind. I am so big in cross promoting other Christian creators, and choosing them before corporate options, if you will. And so this is just a really great way to do that. So I would love to hear your comments, your feedback. Drop a comment below. Be sure to join my Facebook group if you haven't already. If you need help getting your setup, or have questions about certain other platforms that I did mention, I will try to help you figure out the best as I can. I'm not thoroughly familiar with those. I have researched them somewhat before I chose Gumroad myself. But anyway, I am here to help you succeed. So whatever I need to do that, please let me know, and hopefully I can help. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.